This brand is a part of Daikin Global and is available in the USA but is only sold through a limited dealer network. The brand uses aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. They use durable silicon nitride hot surface ignition which is quieter and more reliable than spark ignition systems, but their guarantee is only average when compared to other brands. All of the units use ECM motor technology which is more durable and energy efficient than brands that use traditional PSC motors. The GM9C96 model is a basic gas furnace with a 96% AFUE combustion efficiency and a fixed speed blower, while the GM9C96 models are premium furnaces with a fixed speed blower, a 2-speed draft inducer, and the ability to communicate with the other parts of the HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. The GMVC96 models are premium 2-stage furnaces with a variable speed blower and communicating capability. The GMVM97 model is their entry in the ultimate category and features a variable speed inducer motor, variable speed blower motor, and a modulating gas valve to precisely match the heating needs of the home for longer operating cycles and more uniform temperatures throughout the home. The AMVM97 model is a better choice in the ultimate category as it has a more durable stainless steel heat exchanger and is backed by a lifetime unit replacement guarantee in case of heat exchanger failure. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.